The first question is, I'll start with what I asked the audience. What does Web3 mean for different projects? Like for Celo, for example, what does it mean for you guys? How are you incorporating it in the Celo blockchain?
Yeah, so for us, of course, like Web3, I want to bring a perspective of like, we're always thinking about the end user. And at the end of the day, Web3 for me personally is about empowering the end user, the consumer. And so like in Web2, if you compare it to Web2, where we don't have sovereignty or full control of our data, Web3 enables us with a future where we have more control. We can take advantage of our own data. We can take advantage of our own what we call this our own content, as well as like we have full independence on how we create and share value to one another. And for Celo, I think that has been also our North Star, our guiding principle. I think the way that we position the blockchain is to be mobile first, meaning all the design decisions of the blockchain in terms of like the consensus mechanisms, as well as like the way we write the contracts, as well as like the programs that we create for builders, is meant to be accessible to everyone, because at the end of the day, our mission is to enable the prosperity for everyone. And so that being said, the products, or at least like the projects that we build on, we're conscious about like, okay, how will this empower the end users, right? And how will this like create real world use cases such that at the end of the day, blockchain and cryptocurrency and these technologies are not just for those who have the privilege of learning about technical complex stuff. So right now we have a lot of like projects builders who are mission aligned. I wanted to, for example, highlight the project I'm doing here. I just came from Kibera. We were in the middle of Kibera. And we're linking them to a platform that enables them to do artificial intelligence work in their mobile phone, like data annotation. Like, your email allows you to identify, okay, is this a traffic light? The CAPTCHA, right? And this industry is huge, like $500 million around the world. But then people who can, and this type of work is accessible for everyone. But right now, the people who can do that work needs a laptop, and not everyone can have a laptop, and needs a bank account to get paid. And our innovation is we have a developer. Their name is Corsali. They developed a platform that allows you to do this type of work on your mobile phone. And then the advantage of cryptocurrency, as everyone knows, is that even if the company is based in the United States, they're able to remunerate everyone immediately, almost, instead of like waiting for an entire month to get compensated. So I see Web3 both as the consumer and the end users having more options available. The technology is theirs, and like these products gives them more options to increase their welfare and their well-being. And I think we're moving towards that direction, and I think the momentum is there.
Well, that's very interesting. I look forward to seeing the results of the project.